Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a no service problem on iPhone or on iPad. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and having no service problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to turn on and turn off your airplane mode for 3 to 4 times on your iPhone. And guys, after this you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys you need to scroll it down. Here you can see the option of VPN and device management. So guys, simply you have to disconnect your VPN if you have connected already. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, the main method to fix this problem is reset your network settings. So guys, there are multiple errors on your network. So guys, simply you have to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is problem on your iOS update. So guys, simply you have to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to click on your Apple Sport app here, select your gadget, scroll it below, click on more, and guys, from here you need to find cellular services, click on your this one. And guys, after this you have to scroll it below, click on call. And guys, you need to call at these two numbers. First one you have to call, and guys, if not responding, you need to call at second one and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.